Hey guys, welcome back. The intro is always weird. Anyways, I have been holding on to this box for over a year now. I always find these videos interesting because I like to see the products that people actually use up. And most of the time, makeup is hard to really use up. I will be telling you if I will be repurchasing it, if I won't be repurchasing it, and why. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Give the video a like if you like product empties or if you just like video content. And let's jump into this because we got a ginormous box here. I've been holding onto this box for over a year now. I've just been dumping things in here and it's just taking up space in my closet. So I just want to throw that out. Up first is the e.l.f. Stay All Night Micro Setting Spray. I really love this one. So I went ahead and repurchased the second one. It is all around just a really good, affordable setting spray. The mister is amazing. It just gives you a refreshing boost. It's affordable and it has this little ball in here. I don't know, it's cool, it's cool, I like it. This I also ran out of. This is the NYX Bear With Me Setting Spray. It's another good, affordable option. This one reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury. I love when a setting spray just feels nice, refreshing on the face. I love that it locks it in and it doesn't leave it mattifying, but it doesn't leave it like greasy and it's not dewy at all. So both of these, really good options. I don't know if I'm gonna be repurchasing this one. I just like to try different setting sprays. So unless it's a setting spray that I absolutely love, I will repurchase. So we have the Purity Made Simple Cleanser. This is my absolute favorite cleanser. I will not clean my face with anything else. When it comes to skincare, I stick to my 3 little products. I don't treat skincare like I do with makeup. I don't really like to try different skincare. What works for my skin and makes my skin feel nice, I will stick to. And this is it. This is just an all-around beautiful one-step facial cleanser. It feels like a very nice serum-ish kind of. It melts your makeup away. It does not dry out your face and it's very gentle on the skin. I don't know, it just does a good cleanse. It's a cleanse. What else is it gonna do? Always will repurchase this. I usually wait till it's on sale and Ulta always has this on sale at least 2 to 3 times a year. I have a cousin that I realized that she loved to use this too. So every time I see it on sale, I usually will go DM her, hey, it's on sale, go get it now, stock up. I use this every single day to take off my makeup. It's such a good one and I already repurchased it. If you know me, you know that I love this stuff. Total repurchase. Ran completely out of it. I will always and always, forever and ever, will repurchase this as this is my nighttime moisturizer and it just makes your skin feel like a hydration boost. Like a balloon of water just fell in your face. I don't know if that's a good feeling or not, but it just gives you that hydration. It does not have SPF, so this is not a daytime moisturizer. I will use this for the nighttime. You just put it on and it's just a beautiful aqua-based moisturizer. You wake up the next day, your face is so smooth. This sometimes does go on sale, so I do take advantage of restocking this because again, I use this every single day as my nighttime moisturizer. The Belief Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. So this is the moisturizer and this is a sleeping mask. I ran out of both. Sometimes I go between the two and sometimes I double up at nighttime when my skin just feels like dry as a bat. I didn't even know that bats could be dry. You know what I mean? When your skin just feels parched, grimy, like a desert, then you can double up on these two. You're gonna wake up, you're gonna touch your skin and it's just gonna feel so nice. And I will always keep repurchasing these forever and ever. So I did run out of my eye cream. This is the Lancome Regenery Lift Multi-Action Eye Cream. I'm not like obsessed with it, but this is my second bottle. And the reason why I always keep repurchasing this is because it goes on sale. So it's usually about $80. I don't know who spent $80 on an eye cream. It was on sale. And I know Lancome has some of the best skincare. And this eye cream is really, really nice and soothing for the under eye. It is a little bit brightening as well. It's an eye cream. It's a good one. Would I recommend for you to go get it? I probably don't think so. The moment I run out of something, I will look to see what else is on sale. So I did purchase a Clinique one and I'm running out of that one too. So I'm waiting on another sale. This one is the Not Your Mother's Royal Honey Desert Melon Conditioner. I like this one because it has a high moisture level, which I need for these dried out locks. I am a huge fan of Not Your Mother's. They are paraben free, sulfur free. I just make sure it says high moisture because I really need high moisture in my hair. I will repurchase if it's on sale. This is another one, Not Your Mother's. It's the Way to Grow shampoo. Again, good shampoo, sulfate-free, paraben-free. This one, I can say that does smooth out your hair. You will feel your hair feeling sleek the next day. I don't know, but I really do enjoy this one, and I went ahead and I did repurchase this one. So this is my husband's favorite shampoo, and I've used this a few times. This one is the Invigorating Tea Tree Oil Shampoo. Feels nice, it feels minty. It really does a good job of cleaning out your hair. He repurchased it and I use it a couple times sometimes because I like to stick to my own shampoo, but I do sneaking a little usage out of his sometimes. No sulfates, no parabens, stay free from all that stuff and your hair will improve, promise you. I got this on Amazon. This is the Curel Itch Defense Body Wash. Little story, I always have like a nervous tick. I don't know where I got it from, but sometimes in the past, my nervous tick has been to bite my nails. This was so long ago and I finally let that go. I had a nervous tick of touching my nose sometimes. I also had a nervous tick of my teeth. I got braces and that took that tick away where I would just like go like this all the time. It's the weirdest thing. So come January, I got this tick. My skin would itch. My legs would just itch and I would scratch and it would just bubble up. It looked like hives. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was dust in the house because we were under a lot of construction. I don't know, but I would just felt itchy all the time. My legs would itch and I would just scratch and scratch and scratch and I just don't know why. So I went on Amazon and I got this Itch Defense Body Wash. It is a calming cleanser for dry, itchy skin. It says clinically proven to help stop dry, itchy skin. So I used it the first couple of times, didn't really do much, but then a month in, my itchiness just went away. I don't know if it's because it was a phase I was going through. My husband called it. He said, you're going through a nervous tick phase, but I was using this. It went away, so I'm no longer feeling that weird itchiness anymore. Well, I will not repurchase until I start feeling itchy again, but I do highly recommend this if you suffer from itchy, dry skin, or you just suffer from this constant itch all over your legs, wherever. Try this out. I will link it down below as well. This is the aromatherapy from Bath & Body Works. This is eucalyptus stress relief. It's an oil mist. So you could spray this in the shower and you can also spray it maybe on your pillow whenever you're feeling a little stressed. It's nice. It is calming. It's not potent at all. I noticed though, the smell goes away after, I would say 5 to 10 minutes. You're not gonna smell it anymore. So it's not really potent, which could be a good thing. I love the stress relief line of Bath & Body Works. They are just amazing. I love eucalyptus paired with spearmint. Ugh, beautiful, love. This is the Morphe Continuous. Oh wait, there's still some in here. It is a really good setting spray. I remember this being the entire rave back in the day. I have gone through at least 4 to 5 bottles of these and it's good. It does the job. The spray is beautiful. My only concern if it's aerosol, which I think it is. That's probably the reason why I stopped purchasing these kinds of like setting sprays, because I mean, no one wants aerosol in their face. This is an OG. I have used this for at least 10 years now. This is a SkinMD Natural Shielding Lotion. This is a non-greasy, super hydrating lotion. It serves also as a makeup primer. What I love about this is that it protects your skin from the environment, from the sun. I wouldn't say necessarily that this is a sunscreen. If you're gonna go out for a quick run or you're gonna go out to the grocery store, this does a really good job. It protects your skin from the actual environment. And what I love is that it's non-greasy, lays gorgeously on your skin. If you suffer from eczema, this is highly, highly recommended. I got this on Amazon. I've already repurchased the big bottle. You can use it all over your face and your body. It's great, and I will continuously always repurchase it. This is another one from Ulta Beauty. I think I bought like $45 worth of stuff and they gave me this big bag full of minis, and I got this, and this is the Frosting 3-in-1 Body Wash. It smells just like candy, and I'm not a fan. It's okay. It didn't really do much for me, and I just used it because I got it for free, but not recommended. It just has too much of a strong candy smell. It's just like a candy cane, like you're rubbing candy cane all over. It's weird. We're in the makeup stage. Makeup is hard to run out of. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Foundation. I did use this one all up. This is such a beautiful foundation. It was such a big hit back in the day. I didn't repurchase because all these other foundations came out. So it's a hyaluronic hydrating foundation, and it just lays gorgeously on the skin. It does have a nice full coverage, but it is a very thin formula, so it doesn't feel like you have anything on your skin. It just looks so beautiful, and I don't know, I may repurchase at one point. I have no idea, but it's a good one and I highly recommend this one. I did run out of the Tarte Amazonian BB cream. This has an SPF 20, very light coverage, but it was just too greasy for me and too dark for my skin, so I did not repurchase this. My only concern is that the SPF amount is very low, it's 20, and I live in Miami, so I need as much SPF as I can get. I'm gonna pass on repurchasing that one. I finally ran out of this one. The Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This is a huge hit. Beautiful foundation, very full coverage. My only complaint is that it doesn't come with a pump, which is why I did not repurchase this. I think you can buy a pump separately. And if you're paying like $45 or $50 for foundation, the least you could do is put a pump on it. Who uses a foundation like this? Anyways, gorgeous foundation, no pump, no purchasing from me. I ran out of the first Smashbox. I caught it. So I have the Smashbox Photo Primerizer. Love this primer. I did purchase another one because it was half off. This is not cheap. This is like worth $40, but it was half off, so I paid $20. My go-to primer for a dinner, for a night out, not for daytime because it does not have SPF, but this primer feels beautifully glidey on the skin. It does have a tiny little bit of tackiness, like super tiny, but it does such a good job of filling in the pores. It's not the silicone formula, it's just an aqua-based hydrating primer. Love this primer. Always will highly recommend. It used to be in a glass bottle, now it's more in like an eco-friendly packaging, which makes me think, why didn't they just lower down the price? Anyways, I'll keep repurchasing it if it's on sale. And of course, my tried and true brow pencils is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer and the Brow Wiz. If I had to choose one, I would go with the Brow Definer. It has more of a flat top. It just fills in your brows way faster than the regular Brow Wiz. I got this one because it was on sale, so I will stock up on these and definitely will stock up on these if these are on sale. There's nothing else that can beat this. It just fills them in gorgeously. They look natural. This is just all around my absolute favorite eyebrow pencil. I've already repurchased like 2 or 4. So I ran out of this mini Laura Mercier. This is the story of my life. I keep buying the minis. I never want to buy like the big size. Don't ask me why, but I always run out of these. You'll probably always keep seeing these in my empties videos because I love this stuff. For some reason, I don't want to repurchase the actual size. I don't know why. There's just so many setting powders out there. But ultimately, this is such a beautiful setting powder. I love this for all over the face. For my under eyes, I do like a different powder, more of a brightening one. But this is the OG, the original Laura Mercier translucent powder. Highly recommend. You know, I would recommend that you get the actual size if you love it, which I need to follow my own advice. Gives your skin a tiny bit of like this beautiful little glow, but it's not really a glow. It's just, it's lit from within. Love that powder. These are the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Tinted Lip Treatments. They actually feel more like a lipstick, which is why I'm like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna repurchase. It just has a lot of pigment, but I did get a lot of use out of these. These were like my go-to. Whenever I had to like go out for an errand, I just popped this in my purse, and this is my go-to lip tinted treatment back in the day. But I didn't repurchase because I have so many other ones, but these are really nice. So we have the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. If you know me, you know I'm always raving about this. I did repurchase, of course. This is my favorite red matte liquid lipstick. There is no better one than this. This locks in. It does not feel drying, which is what I enjoy about this one. And you just put it on and you can forget that you have the lipstick on. You can eat burgers, wings, go out for a concert, go out raging, who knows? But this will not come off. I personally think Taylor Swift, this is her lipstick. Such a pretty lipstick. It is the perfect red. Still a little bit in there. Look at that red. Perfect apple red. Put a little bit on. I love this formula. It is so good. Highly recommend. The last item is this Ouai hair oil. It's a mini one. I didn't want to purchase the big size because I wanted to try it out. I love the way this smells. It just smells like a spa. It smells luxurious. It is a nice hair oil, but it is not my favorite. My favorite ride or die hair oil is the number 7 one. There's just nothing like that hair oil. That one I did not repurchase, so I did purchase this one just to try it out, and I actually prefer the other one. It is a good hair oil though. It is very beautiful. It smells delicious, but it didn't make my hair feel like the other one. All right guys, that completes my product empties videos. Let me know down below in the comments if you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you like any of these items. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.